I know. You can barely see me, right? Okay, me and my dog Geech in this bitch tonight.
Yep.
Almost famous. Let me tell you about it. Look, they be like, who me, on me? Damn right. No, I got that old, so they want me. Calling, ring. That phone be going off all day and night, still calling. Damn, leave me alone. Why the hell are they stalling? Wait, bitch, who is this calling? Another trick trying to jump on my dick, but no, bitch, I just take it where you need to go to make your tricks. So matter of fact, trick or treat, don't trick like me. Won't treat a bitch like for free. I never fucking pay a hoe. Matter of fact, I just treat her like Halo and slay the hoe. And it's slayers. Matter of fact, and you know, bitch, I have been a player. I can show you how I be a player like Bill Bellamy. Told them bitches, yeah, I'm a dog, so where's my pedigree? No, I'm fucking with it. Oh, that was over your head. I guess that you don't fucking get it. On the beat, I bet you we gon' fucking feel it. And if it's beef, I bet you we gon' fucking grill it. Another beat, yep, man, fucking kill it. Hold up, old beans, I guess they spilled it, can't hold water. I slaughtered his daughter, then I sent her to slaughter. I ordered, tell her go and make me an order for cheeseburgers and fries. Oh my, I like her titties and her thighs. Thick and wise, thick inside.